Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Hoops, Hoodies, and How To's. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I do my wash and goes. So my hair is not dry; it's still wet, so I'm letting it air dry. I may come back and show you the dry results. Maybe I should, shouldn't I? Okay. So the products I'm going to be using for today is the Macadamia Nourishing Leave-In Cream, which is this, and then I'm going to follow up with the Activating Curl Cream, which is this. And the Macadamia Healing Oil Treatment and the Curls Blueberry and Mint Tea Scalp Treatment. So that's my routine. You'll see me how I use each product in the video. If you don't have these products, you don't have to use these products, as I say in all of my videos. You can use something equivalent. You can use any leave-in cream that you want, or you can use your favorite curl cream, curl milk, gel, whatever you want to use behind the leave-in conditioner, and any oil that you normally use. So you don't have to use what I'm using. And of course, a spray bottle. So if you're ready to see how I accomplish this wash and go, then keep on watching. So I already parted my hair into 3 parts. I usually do 4, but recently I've just been doing 3 because I'm lazy. So I'm going to start back here, and as you can see, my hair is kind of drying a little bit. So don't tell me I didn't bring my water bottle in here. Oh, it was hiding from me. So take some water and rehydrate the hair. So just dampen it. That's all. I'm just dampening it. I don't want to fully wash it all over again. Ooh, something was in my eye. Okay, and then I part into smaller sections with my fingers, like that. And then I twist up this little section and find a place to put it up there. So first I'm going to take the Macadamia Natural Oil Nourishing Leave-In Cream, which it looks like this. And then I take about 2 pumps for the small sections. And I just run my fingers through it like that. And usually I will have leftover, so if I do have leftover, I'll just rake it through the other section and just let it sit there. Ooh, my hair can hold some water, let me tell you. Okay. And then I take the same brand, but this one is the Activating Curl Cream. And I take about that much. And I layer that on top. And then once I finish, I just kind of let it fall. Shake it up a little bit to let the curls fall where they may. Let them define themselves. I'm not defining them. And that's it. Take another section, pin that up. Sometimes I can't find a place, but it's working for me today. So again, since I already put some in there, I take about that much and try to remember what I just brought down and finger through like so, trying to get every strand. And then again, take the Activating Curl Cream, about that much, and do the same thing. So I'm probably going to speed up after this because I'm just doing the same thing over and over again. And if I see like little frizzies, then to me that means I need to put more product. It's not fully dispersed, so like that. And that's it. So I'm gonna cut my music on and I'm gonna speed through the rest. All done. This is the finished result. Oh, I got water on my backdrop. And that is it. So I usually let this air dry, and it takes forever, all day, but it's too hot to diffuse today, so I'll do that in another video. So the last thing that I do is I take this Curls Blueberry and Mint Scalp Treatment. And what this does is it stimulates the scalp and combats dandruff, relieves itching, refreshes the scalp, prevents dryness, and encourages hair growth at the follicle level. So you apply it directly to your scalp, and then you evenly distribute it all over your hair. So, and it smells so good. It smells very, very minty, and I love mint. So if you don't like mint, it may be a little strong for you, but so take about that much, and what I do is I just boop, just pick different spots in my hair all over. And drop it in there. And then once I am finished, I love this bottle, by the way. Blue is my favorite color. I just take my hands and I just gently, without messing up my lovely coils, I just massage it in my hair. And then last but not least, I take this Macadamia Natural Oil Healing Oil Treatment, therapeutic oil for all hair types, and it, oh, this is so small, instantly absorbs into the hair, weightlessly infusing moisture, health, softness, protection, control, and shine. Work a small amount into damp or dry hair, and for extra nourishment, add a small amount to mask or leave-in cream. My hair is tingling right now. That's another thing. It leaves you tingling. So I'll take 3 pumps of this. So about that much. Work it into my hands and do the same thing I did with the blueberry and mint oil. Massage it into my scalp. I guess it would have been nice to tell you what I'm using. So I'm using the Conair 1875 blow dryer, and it came with a diffuser. So, and I put it on high, and I use the cool setting versus the hot setting. There's also a cool button to make it even cooler, but that's it could be a little too much for me, so I'm just gonna use this cool setting right here. hair is mostly dry. It's a little damp still in some areas, but majority of my hair is dry. So now you can see the difference between when I started and here I am now. My hair has a little bit more volume and body, but oh, okay, sorry. So now what I do is, to give it even more body and volume, is I use a pick and I start from the roots and I just flick it up. That's the best way I can describe it. So like here, I'll start in the roots and just flick. That's all I do. And as I do it, you can already see that now I have more volume. It's probably not going to do much in the front because it's still a little damp. That's why it's good to make sure your hair is all the way dry. Otherwise, it'll still look limp like my front does. So. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed watching. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye. Gotta get my mind right. Don't ask me why. Why do I always clap?